Hello everybody, and welcome to this process tutorial in which I'm going to show you how easy it is to take your design in Shapr 3D, like this chair, and then very quickly export it via the OBJ mesh format so we can load it then into your host application 3D Max Maya and logically Blender. And what is really great about the OBJ format is, as you can see, we get all the individual parts and everything is to scale, ready to texture. And with all that said, now let me show you how to do it. Here in Shapr 3D, let me show you now how easy it is to export this design, this chair as an example, as OBJ. All we have to do, based on your operating system, go to File, Export. Here on the Mac, I will go to Share, Export, Export Project, and then go to the OBJ format. You can turn on include vertex colors, include mesh bodies, all that is fine. Give this a name, click export, and then go to desktop, give this a name, and click save. You see, this actually goes pretty fast. Then in Blender, we can go to File and import OBJ. Navigate to where is the file. We have few options to import. First, we want forward to be Y, up is Z, so it's exactly the same way like in Shapr. And then we can also turn on split by object and split by group. So the individual parts of our object are being split apart the same way how they were constructed also inside the host application, Shapr 3D in this case. Then we can click on import. And there we are. If we go to a front view, we will see this chair perfectly sits or stands on the ground. We have all these individual objects, as you can see. And this is a really great export process because we get high quality geometry. And then as individual parts, we can texture them very easily. Plus, let me also show you. Let's go to units, imperial, and inches. There we are. Go to measurement. So from here to there, that should be roughly 28 inches. And it is. So you see, this model also comes into Blender to scale, which is perfect. And that's it.